What's up? I'm Beka Filoa. This is Boaz, Tupuola. And we're gonna be singing you guys a song. It's an original. We didn't have a name for it, but yeah, this goes out to Evelyn. Special shout out to you. Um, and to all the viewers, or to Michael Fa'alua and Tessa. This goes out to you guys as well. It is a love song. I hope the lyrics make sense. but um, but yeah.
Sweet.
Some people believe there is one, oh, the one who points your way to the sun. A person they believe makes them complete, the one who will support you when facing defeat. You are my angel, my one and only, my forever love. Oh, you brought my life, all your love and care. It made me see when I realized how rare what you've done. You've eliminated my soul. It's you and your love that has made me whole. The feel of your love, your soft touch and your caress, real time, so close your heart makes me beat. All that we have always felt missing before. Though I love you today, tomorrow it will be more. Our love is life, we are the strongest tree, which always forever grow, which will always forever grow. Ooh, which always forever will grow. Bye.